जहाँ दुनिया ने इसे सिर्फ एक ट्रेड रूट समझा, the Marathas turned it into a battlefield.
छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज built a navy.
कोई यूरोपियन शिप अगर बिना टैक्स के गुजरती, अंग्रेज नेवी would make sure it didn't reach the next pole.
Camouflage sails and using moonless nights and monsoon wind to strike and vanish. Just off the fort's coast, the Marathas had secretly laid a massive underwater chain barrier. Even today, scuba divers find its remnants. This wasn't just defense, it was underwater warfare.
Strategically perched on the Konkan coast, Vijayadurg isn't just a fort. It's the cornerstone of Marathas' naval supremacy. Built centuries ahead of its time, not just with stone, but with foresight and fire. When the world's empire turned its back to the sea, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj built a navy.
जहाँ दुनिया ने इसे सिर्फ एक ट्रेड रूट समझा, the Marathas turned it into a battlefield. Vijayadurg wasn't just a part of a vision; it was a capital of it. ये सिर्फ एक फोर्ट नहीं था, ये था एक रेवोल्यूशन का लॉन्च पैड.
Let's rewind. Originally built in the 12th century by the Bhoja king of the Shilhara dynasty, this fort was known as Gheria, a silent sentinel of the sea. But in 1653, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj captured it and named it Vijayadurg, the fort of victory. It was not just a metaphor, but a mission statement.
नाम बदलने से सिर्फ पहचान नहीं बदली, पूरा गेम बदल गया. छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज बिलीव्ड जिसका समुद्र पे कंट्रोल है, उसका ही स्वराज्य. This fort wasn't just built to guard the coast. It was built to command the Arabian Sea. And from here, India's first indigenous navy was born.
The Maratha Navy under the leadership of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, later Admiral Kanuji Angre, was not just advanced, it was revolutionary. They used Gurabs, swift attack ships, Pals, versatile patrol and transport vessels, Galbats, stealthy craft perfect for sea guerrilla tactics. These weren't just boats, they were floating blades, built for agility, impact and escape.
And it was more than just a fleet, it was a coastal combat system. Kanuji Angre transformed every fort into a naval base. Kolaba Fort, his command headquarters. Suvarnadurg, Jaigarh, Khanderi, Underi, and of course Vijayadurg. Together, they formed a maritime grid. कोई यूरोपियन शिप अगर बिना टैक्स के गुजरती, अंग्रेज नेवी would make sure it didn't reach the next port.
Kanuji Angre wasn't feared without a reason. The British dubbed him the Pirate Lord of Konkan. But the truth, he was the master of nighttime sea raids, guerrilla naval tactics, camouflage sails, and using moonless nights and monsoon wind to strike and vanish. Europe had firepower, but the Marathas had stealth, speed, and strategy.
And Vijayadurg had something no one else did, Asia's oldest functional dry dock. It was like a naval NASA, centuries before such concept existed. Ships made out of teak wood, strong, weather resistant and battle ready. And the best part, इसे ब्रिटिश या पोर्टुगीज ने नहीं बनाया. It was entirely designed by Maratha engineers and local artisans.
And here's a detail that stuns even modern naval historians. Just off the fort's coast, the Marathas had secretly laid a massive underwater chain barrier designed to tear through enemy ships' hulls. Even today, scuba divers find its remnants. This wasn't just defense, it was underwater warfare.
And it doesn't stop here. Cannon placements, escape tunnels, watchtowers, सब कुछ मिलिट्री प्रिसिशन से डिजाइन हुआ था. लोकल्स से कुछ टनल्स अब भी अनएक्सप्लोर्ड हैं, कुछ तो डीप जंगल तक भी जाते हैं. This place isn't just history, it's a living tactical blueprint.
Stand atop Vijayadurg, feel the breeze, and watch the sun disappear in the Arabian Sea. You'll know the sea remembers. Every gust of wind, every tide that hits the bastions still whispers the memory of Swaraj.
Because of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Kanhoji Angre and Sambhaji Maharaj, freedom सिर्फ लैंड तक सीमित नहीं था. Swaraj meant freedom on all fronts, including the ocean. They built an empire with vision, not conquest. And Vijayadurg, it's a proof of that vision.
In the age when naval power defined empires, the Maratha, with indigenous engineering, teakwood ships, and mountain forge tactics, built a coastal kingdom without colonizing, only protecting. तो अगली बार जब कोई आपसे कहे कि ब्रिटिशर्स ने समुद्र पर राज किया था, तब याद रखना कि उनसे भी पहले था एक निडर शासक जिसने खुद की नेवी बनाई, खुद के फोर्ट्स बनाए, और उनका बस यही कहना था कि कोई भी परप्रांतीय का हमारे समुद्र पर राज नहीं हो सकता.
That's it for this episode of Bharat Unheard. तो अगली बार याद रखें कि विजयदुर्ग कोई खंडर नहीं है. It's a living reminder that power doesn't shout, it sails. This is Neetu.
And this is Akash. And you're listening and watching to Passport 68. And this is Bharat Unheard.
So
Stay curious, stay rooted. Jai Hind.